Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can fix the situation if for some reason you don't get a notification from Telegram app. Friends, please don't forget to put likes under the video, write your comments after watching, also be sure to subscribe to the channel. So, let's get started, and I will show you in the video a few methods how you can fix this problem. Okay friends, first of all, I recommend that you go to the Telegram app itself and make sure that you have all the notifications from the app turned on. So you open up Telegram and then down on the bottom right, click on Settings. After that, you will need to go to the Notifications and Sounds option. Here you will see a section that is divided into several types of notifications, such as private notifications from private chats or private chats, then group chats, channels, stories, and reactions. And you will need to go to each of these options and make sure that it's enabled. If it's in that state, which means it's disabled, then just click on the button next to the video notifications, and that way you'll turn them on. I also recommend opening up the settings. Scroll to the very bottom. Click on the app. Also scroll down to the bottom, find Telegram. And here also select the notifications option. And first of all, make sure that you have notifications active at all. If they're in the state that they are on my screen right now, then you'll need to turn them on by clicking on this button here. This is where you'll see the notification views at the bottom, and you can also turn them on. For example, you can turn on vibrations or you can turn on sounds, and you can choose where the notifications are going to come from. For example, banners or to the notification center and so on. That is, you need to activate absolutely all of these types, after which you will start receiving notifications from Telegram. If, unfortunately, and this did not help you, then I recommend you to see if you have updated Telegram to the latest version. This might be the problem. To do this, open the App Store. Next, go to the search part and simply type the word Telegram in the search box. Open this app. And if you see an update button right here, then it means that you just have an outdated version of Telegram. You need to update it. Thus, absolutely all any corrupted, unnecessary, and outdated files will be fixed and deleted, and then Telegram application will work in its usual mode. These are the methods you can use to fix the problem if you don't get notification from Telegram. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please, friends, write your comments, also put likes under the video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye everyone.